my days. Once again, repeat wobbles, but how could I escape? No further hesitation on those unanswered questions. So now I'll make a dream unchained. Then my heart bravely spread the wings, soaring past the night to trace the primal light. Let the clouds fill me of the stains till they wipe the sorrow off my dream. Let my heart bravely spread the wings, soaring past the night to trace the bright